So today I started off with work and it's my last week of work, so I am pretty happy about that. For the rest of the year, I don't have to go back to work after this week. What? What? How awesome. I can't wait. I'm gonna spend just 2 weeks with me and Raylan hanging out at the house doing absolutely nothing. Well, the first week will be Christmas shopping, but the second week we get to just chill and just have girl days every day. It's awesome. But so yes, today I'm gonna go in and I am working out legs and I will take y'all along with me. I also brought my my band thing, my resistance band, so that I can get in a really good leg workout. So, all right, let's go inside and get in a freaking awesome workout.
I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, dog. When it's over, I press rewind, dog. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing Batman. Freddy's gonna rob him. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, I got the Glock in my robbery. 17 shots, no 38. Yeah, she's fine. Wondering will she be mine? Walk past, I press rewind. See that ass one more time. And I got this soda. Remy boys ain't no fast money, no slow. No one can control. Yeah. And I got this soda. Remy boys ain't no fast money, no slow. No one can control. She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the verb. Lovers it good, freak what you are. I like the way you work it.
Let's put him in the car so we can go for a ride. Ready? And then look, you got to put, this is his seatbelt. Put a seatbelt on him. Say, okay, buckle up, buddy.
Oh, I think she wants in there now, Nana.
You want to get in with him? In with your teddy bear?
Oh my goodness.
Wow. You got to do your shifts. What? Push this button, it starts the car. Push that one.
Yay, Ray Ray!
Rolling. I feel like we need a vanilla ice plane. Rolling. The 5.0.
Rolling in my 5.0. Rolling in my 5.0.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that would be cool. Oh yeah? Are you yelling at me?
It's convertible, it's got tunes, it's got chrome whips.
Here, watch.
Full deal. Chicken head.
Dance, mama. So we went to my mom's house after I picked up Raylan, and she got to ride in her cute pink little car. It was so much fun to just watch her get excited about it, and just, she had a blast. So yeah, that was definitely like, it just made me so excited. I can't wait for Christmas for like her to see all of her gifts and get to see her car again and ride all around in it. And I think that Kaylin and her are both gonna enjoy that car. He's gonna love driving her around in it. But afterwards we went to Walmart because we are taking pictures tomorrow. So I had to get us all matching shirts. And yeah, that made it a very late night, and now we got home maybe like 20 minutes ago, and I gave Raylan a bottle, and then we just laid her down, and I'm gonna lay down. I'm exhausted. I'm so tired, but I did have a good day today. It was fun. Got to do some fun stuff with Raylan with her new pink car. Oh, I loved it so much. It was such a blast. All right, well, y'all have a great night. Happy Vlogmas. Good night.